Again.
Stop. Hold up. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body, 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 body. And Shorty got the body.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yo, why are my eyes looking swollen? I don't know. But today's video is sponsored by, I'm not sure if this is pronounced Ayiyi or I don't know, but this is the company. I'm not sure how it's pronounced and I don't want to spoil their name, but this is the company, and they sent me a deep wave, no, water wave. I'm lying. Why you lie so much? Why? They sent me a water wave transparent lace wig, and they sent me in a 18-inch. Just a few things that they sent me in this box. They sent me baby hair combs. They sent me, I think this is to lay your edges down, so like a scarf, I think, to tie around your edge. And they also sent me 2 lashes, so this lash and the next lash. I don't know where the next one is. And they sent me 2, is this the alligator or crocodile, one of them clip thingies. So yeah, so this is the wig. It came pre-plucked, but I also went in and I plucked it a little bit more. If you don't know, I like going in and adding additional plucking to my hair. Okay, so right now I did my ball cap method. I wish I recorded this ball cap method, because like this ball cap stayed down, and I'm trying out a new glue, and I will be, like, a next video that I do, I will dedicate a video to this glue. But anyways, for now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. It is in the color 350. Okay guys, so now I'm spraying the lace with the Ebin Tinting Lace Spray. I sprayed it with the light warm brown shade, and that's what I use to tint my lace. I think they have different shades, to be honest, because I was looking on the beauty supply website, and I do realize that they have other shade, but this is the shade that goes well for my skin tone, and it's the light warm brown.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that.
So this glue that I'm using, it is a new glue. It is from a company called Forget Me Not, but I will do a more in-depth video with it just now. But right now I am just laying it out on my scalp, and I did 2 layers because I was not going to keep this wig on for long. So I did 2 layers, allowed it to dry clear, and then I went in and applied my wig.
It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the gate.
So guys, I wanted to give you a little close up with the baby hair. I feel like I haven't done like a little baby hair moment type of thing, so I wanted to close up this part so you can see how I did the swoop. I didn't put the full video in it of me doing the entire baby hairs. If you want me to do a dedicated video with me just doing baby hairs on my wigs, then definitely let me know and I will for sure do one. But yeah, for the moment, go and enjoy this baby hair camera moment. And there you have it. All my baby hairs are laid. Now I'm going to be going in with a elastic band, and this is very important because this helps to further melt the lace and to also melt the baby hairs as well. So I'll be going in with an elastic band, and I tied it very tight. Like when I'm done, it feels like my head's going to hurt me, but it doesn't. But that's how tight I put it because I want it to be flat. Then I'm going to go in with my wax stick, and then I am going to do my hot comb, wet the hair, and then cut it.
It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Okay, so after cutting this hair, not after cutting it, but after wetting this hair, I was just like, 18 inches, yeah, it's cute or whatever, but what would be cuter would be an asymmetrical bob. So that's what I was trying to do. At first, I didn't want it to be so short. You're gonna see my face after I cut it and realize that it was actually that short. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't put the hair back on my head. It's already cut. I was so mad because I thought it was not going to come out properly or cute. And I was just like, I messed up. But in the end, it actually was cute. I was just like, I don't know. But at first, when I just cut it, I really thought like, ugh, I'm gonna take this wig off. I'm gonna buy a new wig and then reinstall and do the style again. But then after, it actually came more cute. So I'm gonna let you guys watch.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple bouncers, go on pizza.
I also couldn't see the back part, so I just asked my friends to do the back part for me. If you have somebody that could do the back part for you, I suggest you do that, because then I would have just left the back as how it is until I take the wig off and then I cut it properly on like the mannequin's head. But somebody was there, so I asked them to do the back part for me. But yeah. So this is pretty much the end of the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything will be down in the description box. So the links to the hair, the link to the specific wig unit, and the link also to the website. I'm not sure if they had given me a code, but I have to check back the email and also put it down in the description box. So if there's a code, they actually gave me one. If there's not, just didn't get any. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.